Everyone
This
received
conference will
this
now be recorded.
recording file. Yesterday there is no text file, only recording file. From today onwards, which you people receive text file along with the recording file. Clear? So today we start off our day one. First heading. SPRO. The first one is SPRO. SAP project reference object. Right? What's that? SAP project reference object. Now, I mentioned the word SAP. Let me abbreviate what is SAP. Heading SAP system applications product in data processing. So, let me understand what is the nature of system. Basically, SAP is a server component. What nature of system? Server based system. Heading system means server component. Applications explains predefined application package. So, underline the word applications and package. Applications and package. So, first of all, let me understand package. Next slide. Package. Combination of functional modules, technical modules, networking modules, and database modules. I repeat. What is package? Combination of functional, technical, networking, and database modules. Like Tally package, MS Office package. Right? In MS Office, what are the things? MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, etc. Like SAP, also a package. What type of package? Predefined application package. Now, heading applications. Like general ledger applications, customer applications, vendor applications, asset applications, etc. Now, now we discuss system applications. Next, heading product. Product explains client specifications. Like manufacturing, services, industry specific solutions. In bracket, oil and gas applications. Oil and gas applications. I repeat, product, nothing but a client specific. So, like what are the client specifics? Either manufacturing or services or oil and gas, industry specific solutions. So, some of the people they chose ISOS or ISO. Now, in my laptop, whenever I enter and save the data stores in hard disk. But SAP is a server where the data stores in data processing. Heading data processing. Here we used to understand what is the data, what is processing. Heading data explains collection of facts and figures. Nothing but audited financial statement. Audited financial statement. In accounting, which was called balance sheet. In accounting, which was called balance sheet statement. Next, processing. Processing explains profit or loss account, profit or loss account, in bracket controlling line items or elements. Controlling line items or elements. So this is a full form of SAP, System Applications Product in Data Processing. Observe in SPRO, we discuss only the first S characteristic. The first S characteristic. S means SAP project. Here we are deploying SAP project. Right? Next. R for reference. O for object. Here, let me understand what is the reference, what is the importance of reference, why we choose reference. Right? Heading reference. Includes functional modules, technical modules, networking modules, and database modules. I repeat, what are the four combination? Functional, technical, networking, and database modules. Next, objects. Objects explains combination of three components. Put star mark object. This is interview question. Object is an interview question. What's that? Combination of three components. In that, the first one, perpetual succession. Perpetual succession means rules and bylaws of the company. What's that? Rules and bylaws of company. Sir, what is the rules? What is the bylaws? Observe, each and every company maintain their own rules and regulations. Like manufacturing, rules are different. Service, rules are different. Oil and gas, rules are different. Then, sir, what is bylaws? Like if company located in India, they used to follow Indian Companies Act. US, Jurisdiction Act. Singapore, Singapore Act. Malaysia, Malaysian Act. So, I have a branch in India. My subsidiary located in Singapore. In Singapore company, can I follow Indian Act or Singapore Act? Basically, the parent company, origin of company located in India, but they do business operations in Singapore. So we used to follow their governance, especially for a specific country or a specific or subsidiary company. Clear? So how can we say bylaws of the company? Like for easy understanding, bylaws, ESI Act, PF Act, professional tax, gratuity, TDS. So these are all Indian tax laws. These are all Indian tax laws. So which we apply only for a specific country, only for India. Bylaws of the company. Next, second one, common sale.
So means if American parent company is located in India and
Yes.
they will be following the rules of the American jurisdiction, not the Indian
No,
company.
no. See, the thing is, the company origin located in US, as US location, they used to follow their jurisdiction, but they do business operations in India. For Indian companies, they used to follow Indian bylaw. Indian bylaw. For that, what we do, we maintain a group reporting. So in Indian subsidiary company, which it generates Indian currency rupee. Whenever we say group reporting, combination of US company report as well as Indian company report. So we used to call IFRS, International Finance Reporting Standards. If company located in one country origin, so there's no need to maintain IFRS, only GAAP is enough. But if they do business operations outside the country, more than one country, GAAP with IFRS, that is mandatory. Right? Now, common sale. Explains external reporting. Like balance sheet, profit or loss account, cash flow statement, etc. Like, for example, I choose Volvo company. So Volvo manufacturing cars, Volvo manufacturing passenger buses, right? Like here, I generated Volvo company balance sheet, which I printed on white paper. I repeat, the Volvo company original balance sheet, which I printed on white paper. Can any bank will provide loan as a proof of document? No. Why? Right. Very good. The same balance sheet which I printed on company letterhead, company letterhead with company's emblem. Emblem means rubber stamp and audited signature, chartered accountant signature. Can any bank will provide loan as a proof of document? The same balance sheet which I printed on white paper, it's a dummy document. Which I printed on company letterhead with emblem with audited signature. It's a legal document. It's official legal document. Nothing but common. Nothing but common seal. Lot of difference between white paper document and the legal entity. White paper document and a legal entity. Next, third one, separate legal entity. Separate legal entity. So, as of degree, our author says company and company directors are different. Right? Obviously, company is artificial body, human is a human body. Right? But why author says company and company directors are different? First of all, we used to check the nature of companies under Companies Act. We have three different bodies are there. First, public limited companies, private limited companies, and service organizations. Sir,
Like MNCs.
no, I will discuss. Under service is the head, under that subcategories are there. So, sir, what about sole trader partnership form? Can we say those are not in Companies Act? No, those are at Companies Act. So, those are under HUFs. So, that is, so for sole trader partnership form, for bank loan purpose, they register. Otherwise, not required. But for public limited, private limited, service operation, it's a mandatory rule to register. To register. Right? Can anyone say all SAP clients are public limited clients? Or private limited clients? Or service organizations? We never say only for public or only for private or only for service. I mentioned here nature of business. What's that? Nature of business. Under public limited or private limited or service organizations. Under registered or Global Companies Act. So no sir, my teacher says Indian Companies Act. At the time of degree, my teacher said Indian Companies Act. But you are saying a Registered Companies Act or Global Companies Act. What's the difference between Indian Companies Act or Global Companies Act? Let me choose example, okay? For easy understanding. See, if I say Indian Companies Act, I am eligible to do business operations only in India. If I say Global Companies Act, the other word of global is Registered Companies Act. So I used to do business operations globally across India. Example, Domino's, KFC, ICSA, HDFC, HSBC, Flight Airlines, Hotel Taj, IKEA, right? They used to do like PVR. They used to do business operations globally. So can I say restrict on Indian Companies Act? If I say I'm eligible to do business operations only specific country, like Amazon, right? Walmart, Metro Cash and Carry, right? So they used to do business operations globally. So almost all SAP clients which they register under Global Companies Act, right? Some of the people they choose to call Registered Companies Act. Either registered or global should be said. Like, sir, demand only in India. Okay, fine. In future, if they plan to do business operations globally, again they change from Indian Companies Act to Global Companies Act. Initially, they register only in India. Maybe in future, if they want to expand outside the country too, they should maintain Global Companies Act. Right? That. Now, I need some clarity. What are the modules in SAP? Before we discuss reference like functional, technical, networking, and database. Now, let me discuss in deep what are the each and every module wise function. Each and every module wise function. Heading module at glance. And put star mark for functional modules. If you apply as a fresher, we definitely ask you what are the major functional modules in SAP. What are the major functional modules in SAP? The heading is module at glance. GLANC. Right? In that, the 4x4 matrix, the heading functional modules, technical modules, networking modules, and database modules. Database modules. Right? So, what are the available functional modules in SAP? What's that? What are the available functional modules in SAP? First one, under functional, the first one is finance module. Finance module. Second one, controlling module. Third one, material management. Third one, material management. Fourth one, procurement or production. Next, sales and distribution. Logistic management. Payroll. And treasury management. Treasury management. Right? So this is actual order format. Sir, these are the headings. Let me understand the brief descriptions of module. What's that? The brief descriptions of module. Right? So, heading finance module. In general, what is the importance of finance? Buying and selling of goods and services. The other words, receipts and payments of organization. Heading buying and selling of goods and services. In other words, receipts and payments of organization. Here, underline receipts and payments. So here receipts and payments are superlatives because what are the receipts? Companies sell the product, we will receive amount from customer. Payments, company purchase product, we will pay amount to vendor. Indirectly says two different life cycles are integrated to finance. Two different life cycles integrated to finance. What are the two different life cycles we will discuss? Next, controlling module. To control the organization will. To control the organization will. How to control the organization? Can I terminate employee? Is it control? No. So as a work factor, as cost factor, as profitable factor, we used to analyze and to control the organization. So how to control those tips? For this, we choose a limited tools are there. A specific tools are there. What are the tools? So choosing cost centers, profit centers, so under cost and profit center, we have multiple tools are there or sub tools are there like repost cost in bracket mentioned. Repost cost, assessment cost, planning primary cost, and repost controlling line item. One more. Repost controlling line item. Controlling line item. Controlling line item. We have four different tools. What are the tools? Repost cost, assessment cost, planning primary cost, and repost controlling line item. Choosing any one tool, client specific tool, is to analyze the data. And still we have some more tools for analysis like internal orders, commitment items, production cost controllers, bill of materials, etc. Bill of materials, etc. Right? So these are the tools to control the organization. Whenever we control the organization, compared to regular profits, we get more profits. WBS element is a part of internal order. So here WBS we mention as a hierarchy. Under hierarchy we maintain cost centers. So again we activate profit center. In profit center we maintain functional area and segment. All together WBS element. Right? So in ECC5, very older versions we maintain WBS elements. Now we maintain hierarchy base. Next, the next one, sales and distribution life cycle. Sales and distribution life cycle. Some of the people they choose to call order to cash life cycle. If company want to sell the product, it's not an easy task. It's a challenging task, right? So there is to maintain a flow of order. Now we understand the flow of order. Like a small diagram here. First, sales quotation taken care by SD end user. Sales order taken care by SD end user. Yes, STFI integration. And delivery against sales order. Guys, here mention MM or WM. For the third one, delivery against sales order, MM or WM. What is MM? Material management. What is WM? Warehouse management. So depend on the company or the size of the company. And customer billing. Who will take care of finance and user. And customer receipts. Finance and user. So, what are the three modules integrated here for this order to cash life cycle? Starting with sales, trigger to material management, closure with finance. Right? Means companies sell the product dispatched from warehouse. Who will receive the value? Finance department receive value from customer. Finance department receive value from customer. Guys, so in this you mentioned VA21, VA01, VL01. So these are the various transaction codes to enter the data, to enter the page. Like for example, VA21. What is VA21? Sales quotation page. VA01, sales order page. These are the transaction codes to enter the data. So initial, we used to remember the life cycle. What's the life cycle? Quotation, order, delivery against sales order, customer billing, and customer receipts. Customer receipts. Sir, is it necessary to maintain entire life cycle? They have order method also. Heading, order methods. Order method. Sales auto delivery. The method is sales auto delivery. So what is auto delivery? Right? Here, first, in that the first step. So one by one. Step one, sales quotation. Step one, sales quotation. Step two, sales order with delivery. Sales order with delivery. Step three, customer billing. Step four, customer receipts. So whenever the client required auto delivery, so customer quotation is mandatory. Based on quotation, two components arises. The first component, sales order arises. At the same time, sales quotation is equal to billing value. Quotation is equal to billing value. Here in auto delivery, whenever there is an order, system automatically deliver the product. System automatically generate the invoices, right? Then based on that invoice, what we do? We used to raise customer invoice and we receive amount from customer. If client said go ahead for a regular invoice, then we maintain 5 different channels. What's the 5 different channel? Quotation, order, delivery against sales order, customer billing, and customer receipts. Customer receipts. Clear? Hope everyone understand. Anyone question? And have any question here? No. Now, the fourth one, material management. Material management. Nothing but procure to pay life cycle. Guys, remember, material management life cycle or procure to pay life cycle should be said. Don't think of two different life cycles. So, I want to purchase mobile. What I will do, I just go to shop. I used to inquire like 2 or 3 shops, whichever is the best. I used to purchase the product. Very good. But as company's policy, if they want to purchase raw material, they used to maintain a life cycle. They used to maintain a life cycle. Like see here, the life cycle itself, procure to pay life cycle. So the first one, purchase quotation or purchase requisition. Guys, nowadays no one not to maintain purchase requisition. They directly start from purchase order.
But delivery raises the purchase requisition, then the buyer raises the purchase.
No need, right? So for delivery also purchase order, it acts as a delivery, right? That done. So once they issue the product, so they used to maintain order number. In order, they maintain product value into quantity. So based on that, we used to issue the product. So in border methods, based on purchase requisition, they used to maintain goods receipt. So anyway, we have a method. Purchase requisition, purchase order, goods receipt, invoice verification, and vendor payment. Vendor payment. Here, what are the two departments? Purchase requisition taken care by end user. Purchase order taken care by user. Delivery, goods receipt, or WM. or WM. Invoice verification, finance. Who will pay amount to vendor? Finance. So here in SD, 3 modules are there. SD, finance. But in and finance. And finance. Right? Now I back to accounting definition. Finance. Buying and selling of goods and services. Means receipts and payments of organization. For receipts, sales and distribution life cycle. Payments, procure to pay life cycle. Receipts, order to cash life cycle. Payments, procure to pay life cycle. Now you people understand what is the importance of receipts and payments of organization. Indirectly says 2 different life cycles, sales life cycle and purchase life cycle. Purchase life cycle. Clear? Next, payroll. So, company employee salary payments. What's that? Company employee salary payments. Next, production module. Integration between raw material and finished goods. So, company purchase raw material. The assembling line is there, right? Assembling nothing but production planning. Assembling nothing but production planning. Finally, mobile is the finished good. Mobile is the finished good. Right. So here, like raw material, metal management, condition like raw material, metal management, and assembling goods. assembling unit. Nothing but PP, production planning. In that PP, we maintain BOM, bill of material. In that PP, we maintain BOM, bill of material. And choosing BOM, the raw material converted to finished goods. The raw material converted to finished goods. So taken care by sales and distribution. So which department purchase raw materials? Middle management. Which department issue finished goods? Sales and distribution. In between, the protocol who will take care of PP, production planning. So for maintaining product, for making of product, they maintain BOM, bill of material. What's that? Bill of material. Right? Now, heading, logistic management. Logistic management. Stock transfer. Within the country. Or country to country. Like inter and intra transactions. Example, depot to depot, plant to depot. So one location to other location, one country to other country. Here depot means plant. Right? So what are the major function modules we have? Finance module, controlling module, sales and distribution, middle management, payroll, production, and logistic management. These and all major functional modules. Yes, Madhuri, question.
Then, in the function modules, CRM is also included, na? Customer relationship management.
Yeah, right. Good question. For this, we used to extract some more things. Right? Now I come to that point of view. Now,
Okay, sir.
heading. Technical modules. Technical modules. In that, the first one, ABAP, ABAP. Advanced Business Application Program. What's that? Advanced Business Application Program. Like in general, what are the programmers? C, C++, Java, .NET programming. In SAP, the programmers are ABAP, Advanced Business Application Program. Second one, cross applications. Cross applications. Right? Here, I want to discuss one example. I purchased mobile choosing Amazon platform. What's the platform? Amazon platform. So what I will do as a customer, I used to log in Amazon website, I select the product and I used to pay. The nature of payment, either internet payment or phone pay or Google Pay or credit card or debit card, etc. As of my task, my transaction completed. The next 5 to 10 minutes, I receive a message from Amazon. Amount received, product picked, product packed, delivered, dispatched, and feedback message. Right? In ECC point of view, what are the transaction? Amazon is the company. Amazon, what's the nature of company? It's a service-based organization. Under service, what they do? Buying and selling of goods and services. Because I select the platform Samsung, but the purchase platform is Amazon. So here, Amazon is the integrity between Samsung and the customer. Integrity between Samsung and the customer. Here, what's the Samsung role? They display the product. If customer attracts, they receive amount from customer. Once they receive amount from customer, they is to pay amount to Samsung company. Now the question, the product issue from Samsung to customer or Amazon to customer. Now the product issue from Samsung company to customer or Amazon to customer.
So they are maintaining their warehouses Amazon to customer.
No. The thing is, actually, Amazon, they issue the baggages to the warehouse. Which warehouse? Samsung warehouse. In Samsung thing, what they do? They pack in Amazon package. They issue product from Samsung warehouse to customer. Right? Now, I conclude this example. I pay amount to whom? Amazon. Right? Here, Samsung not in the picture. Right? In that, they mention clearly manufacturing warranty, seller warranty. What is manufacturing warranty? What is seller warranty? If I purchase mobile directly from Samsung, it's a manufacturing warranty. Here, I choose platform Amazon. Amazon is a seller warranty. Means, I used to contact, if any issue occur, I used to raise an issue from Amazon. Amazon, they trigger to Samsung. So then my issue resolved. This is first case. Now the second one, I pay amount 80,000 to Amazon. So I receive amount from Amazon like amount received from Vishwanath 80,000. So here in this case, the consignment between customer and Amazon, the task completed. After that, what are the messages which I receive from Amazon? So where I get those messages? The Amazon company integrated ECC server with CRM server. What is CRM? Customer Relation Management. What's that? Customer Relation Management. Right. How CRM server know Vishwanath is the customer which he selected this particular brand? Right. So here Amazon integrated what are the two servers or expanded to two servers. What are the two servers? ECC server. Now what are we discussed? These are all ECC servers. ECC with CRM. So how CRM knows? CRM is a common master data of ECC customer and CRM customer. Again, the CRM server integrated to finished good master data. What's that? Finished good. As customer, Vishwanath ordered which mobile? Samsung mobile. Already customer created, Samsung mobile created. Means finished good created. Based on that, so the CRM server trigger the messages like product picked, product packed, delivered, dispatched, and feedback. If I give a good feedback, very good. If not, what they do? Again, there is a return request. One person receive the product and submit it to Amazon warehouse. They is to cross check what are the damages. If it is real damage, they is to refund the value. They is to refund the value. What are the two servers here? ECC server with CRM server. ECC server with CRM server. Right? CRM is the application. That is not a module. Clear? CRM is a add-on application to ECC. Not various cross applications in SAP. First, ECC. Enterprise Central Component. CRM. Customer Relation Management. SRM. Supply Relation Management. SCM. Supply Chain Management. HCM. Human Capital Management. I repeat, ECC, Enterprise Central Component. CRM, Customer Relation Management. SRM, Supply Relation Management. SCM, Supply Chain Management. HCM, Human Capital Management. Human Capital Management. Right? So if you while you travel in highways like Volvo cars transport, TVS car transport, Honda transports are there, right? So those companies they maintain ECC with SCM, supply chain management. ECC with supply chain management. For example, you purchase any product in IKEA, right? Already IKEA they are using SAP software. So for transportation, they choose ACC with SRM, Supply Relation Management. Clear? Means differ client to client. It's a client specification. If your client require ACC with the CRM or SRM or SCM or HCM, choosing client specification based to design. So, sir, without ECC, can we run CRM, SRM, SCM? No. There is no direct channel. ECC is a common platform. So under ECC, what are the modules we have? So before we discuss the diagram module, like finance, controlling, material management, procurement, sales and distribution, logistic management, payroll, treasury management. Treasury nothing but banking. Treasury nothing but banking. As a lemon, we use the word bank. In SAP, we used to call treasury. Right? So tomorrow class, we will discuss the rest of the two modules. What is networking and what is the database modules? Networking and database modules. Clear? I clearly say if you apply as a fresher, as a panel member, I definitely asked you what are the major functional modules in SAP. That time you have to present this. Order. Like material management, the team they purchase, who will pay the value? Finance department. So sales and distribution, sale, who will pay the value? Who will receive the value? Finance. Production charges, plant maintenance, who will take care of? Finance. Next, logistic management, local freight charges, finance. Employee salary payment, who will take care of? Finance. Treasury, bank, capital inflow, cash outflow, who will take care of? Without finance, can we run an organization? So these are the sub layers under finance. Clear? So that in accounting we learn starting with capital, ends with the balance sheet. Right? Starting with capital, ends with balance sheet. This is actual order flow in finance. And the other are integrated to finance. Yes. Now, questions please. Yes. Balaji, Lakshmi, Madhuri, Sheikh, Shankar, Thamal. I hope which you understand what is the CRM functional, right?
Yes, sir. Thank
Right.
you, sir.
Right. Anyone have any questions, please? Guys, the next 30 minutes which you receive the text file with the recording file. Clear? Hope everyone received yesterday's recording. No? Fine. I
Yes,
just
sir.
update my team again.
Yes, sir.
Shake, no doubts, okay. Yes, classroom people, any questions, please? No questions. All right. Okay, guys. So tomorrow also the same meeting ID. Thank you. Good day.
Thank you, sir.